In this video, you'll learn how to pay with PayPal on eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to complete your purchase smoothly and securely using your PayPal account. Begin by opening the eBay website or mobile app. Use the search bar to find the item you wish to buy. Once you locate the product, take a moment to read the description thoroughly and verify the price along with the shipping details. When you are ready to proceed with the purchase, click on the Buy It Now button if you are making an immediate purchase, or follow the auction checkout process if you have won a bid. Next, during the checkout process, you will encounter a section that prompts you to select a payment method. Look for the option labeled PayPal among the available payment choices. After selecting PayPal, you will be redirected to a new page that displays the PayPal login screen. This is where you will need to enter your PayPal account credentials to access your account. Once you have successfully logged into your PayPal account, take a moment to review all transaction details presented. This includes confirming the total amount you're about to pay, as well as verifying the shipping address to ensure it is correct. It is crucial to double check this information to avoid any issues with the delivery of your item. After confirming that all details are correct, proceed to complete the payment by clicking on the appropriate button to confirm the payment. This action will initiate the transaction. Once the payment is approved, you will see a confirmation message from PayPal and you will be redirected back to eBay where your order will be finalized. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.